How to zoom in on CapCut. Hey guys, today we have got a quick and easy tutorial for you on how to zoom in on CapCut, one of the most popular video editing apps for mobile devices and PCs. Whether you are editing for TikTok, YouTube or any other platform, zooming can add a dynamic touch to your videos. So let's dive right in. The first step is to open CapCut on your device. If you haven't already, make sure you have downloaded and installed it from your App Store. Once you're in, create a new project or open an existing one. Now import the footage you want to work with by tapping the plus icon and selecting your video clip from your gallery. Then drag and drop the video in the first layer. Once done, tap on the video clip to select it. In the editing menu, here you can see an option of scale. From here you can choose how much you want to zoom in or zoom out. You can either pinch it and zoom directly on the preview screens or use the percentage slider. Let's see. To make your zoom smoother, you can add keyframes. This is especially useful if you want to zoom in gradually. Tap the keyframe button where you want to zoom to start. Here it is. Let's tap on it. Once done, then adjust the zoom level for each frame. And then another one. Then just adjust the zoom level for each frame. CapCut will automatically create a smooth transition between them. After adding keyframe, play back your video to see how the zoom level looks. Let's do it. If you want to zoom out it again, you can add one more frame and adjust the scale. Let's preview it again. Once you're satisfied with your zoom effect, it's time to export your video. Tap the export button, choose your desired setting and save your video to your device. And there you have it. That's how you zoom in on CapCut to add that extra flair to your video. Remember to get creative with your zoom and don't be afraid to experiment. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more editing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.